Her reign of terror has finally ended. Wala nang manggugulo sa atin. At pinaka-importante, nabigyan na rin ng hustisya ang pagkamatay ni Papa Ate.
I'm all for that, Obeng. Pero bago namatay si Moira, people died. Innocent people. Good people. Si Kelly, my secretary, she died because of...
Ma'am Giselle, isipin niyo na lang po, hindi na po madadagdagan ng mga biktima ni Moira.
You're wrong, Lynette. Even if Moira's already gone to hell, she still had her last hurrah. Si Justine, my daughter, she used her against us. At ang pinakamasakit doon, mas pinili pa ni Justine na kumampi sa kanya kaysa sa akin na sarili niyang ina. She might have spared Zoe from all this, but not my daughter. Kaya kung meron man akong isang wish, sana mabuhay si Moira. Para ako na mismo mapapatay sa kanya.